Gentlemen, we are about to start the program for the evening, and let me actually switch to Hindi. I'm very comfortable with that, and I hope everybody understands too. मैं आज की शाम में सेन गुप्ता फैमिली की तरफ से आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ। एक बड़े कश्मकश में फंस गई हूँ एक्चुअली। मैंने कभी कोई गेट टुगेदर या कोई प्रोग्राम कभी होस्ट नहीं किया है, और ये माइक मेरे हाथ में जस्ट थमा दिया गया है। मैं सोच रही थी किसी दोस्त से पूछ लूँ, अगर वो ये आज की शाम अगर होस्ट करना चाहे तो। वाली क्या आप प्लीज टेक ओवर करोगी?
दारू पीने में आराम से।
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
शैलजा प्लीज। अपने दोस्तों के लिए That's not right. अच्छा, मेरे दिमाग में अभी एक बहुत ज़बरदस्त आइडिया आ रहा है। इस गेट टुगेदर में आज एक ऐसी शख्सियत मौजूद है जिनका काम यही है, अपनी मीठी प्यारी सुरीली आवाज़ में लोगों के दिलों को छू जाना, और वो है हमारी प्यारी स्वाति। स्वाति, आपके पास कोई चॉइस नहीं है, तो प्लीज आप आइए और मुझे इस जिम्मेदारी से मुक्त कीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच। ओवर टू स्वाति।
I love this. Keep on doing it. शोर मचाते रहिए। So welcome you all. A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. What Khyati said just now, I do this talking every day on my radio show, and believe me, I just love this 3 to 4 hours there every day. For that, I need a lot of preparation, introduction, वगैरह वगैरह. But for this special evening, I don't need any preparation. Right? दोस्त के लिए मेरे यार की शादी की 30 सालगिरह है, so 30th anniversary. I don't need any preparation, right?
Exactly.
And कहते हैं कि बहुत खूबसूरत रिश्ते के लिए कोई हक होना जरूरी नहीं है। এটার মানেটা হলো যে বাংলাতে বোঝাই रिश्ते के लिए हक होना जरूरी है।
ये बांग्ला है?
ना बांग्ला के बोलছি for any beautiful relationship is equal to no expectation.
ये इंग्लिश है. ये इंग्लिश है.
Any beautiful relationship is equal to no expectations.
ये बांग्ला बांग्ला
Yeah,
बांग्ला
that's difficult.
बांग्ला.
But I'll try.
ये तेरे बस की बात नहीं है बांग्ला.
Anybody in Bangla would love to help me? Parthoda, where are you?
Parthoda.
Bangla thinks no expectations is equal to wonderful relationship forever. দাবি হয় না, ভালো সম্পর্কের কোনো দাবির দরকার হয় না।
दाबी बाबा बहुत भारी बात है यार, बहुत भारी है.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I have known PR for some beautiful 11-12 years, right? And since our kids have started going elementary, and तब से आपकी मुस्कुराहट, आपकी स्माइल, खूबसूरती, लंबी मुलाकातें नहीं होती, no phone calls, আমরা বেশি দেখা হয় না, no লম্বা phone calls, but still I know you are there.
लंबा फोन कॉल्स.
And a photograph, 30 years of togetherness, PR. So people say शादीशुदा जिंदगी में शादीशुदा होने की बहुत सारी definition है. There's so many definitions for marriage. একটা মেয়েকে মা জিজ্ঞেস করছে, মেয়ের মাকে জিজ্ঞেস করছে, what is the definition of উত্তরটা পরে বলবো। মা যেটা বলেছেন, what do you think शादीशुदा होने का मतलब क्या है? 30 साल से जो रोलर कोस्टर राइड और जलेबी की तरह सीधी, what is that? जलेबी की तरह सीधी रोलर कोस्टर राइड और what's that? 30 साल, yes, you're on camera. 30 साल लंबी जर्नी।
नहीं, जलेबी की तरह तो है, घोड़पाक तो है, there are ups and downs, but I found myself in it.
मेरे माँ के जिज्ञेस करें, माँ, what is marriage? What is marriage? So mom comes with the reply, marriage is just a fancy word. Marriage is just a fancy word. Adopting your overgrown male child who is not taken care by his
Mom. Where's mom?
so she's still that beauty to
Hey guys, look! There should be a protest on that.
yes, don't worry, I'll make them, don't worry, they are talking about you. So hey guys, we have known Priyal for so many years, Shorodda, would you like to say something because we're so much busy here, so I said, people will just jahir ho jayenge, kya baat hai?
Shorodda, we love you!
बाकी जोड़ा
We love you and many congratulations!
आस्ते
বিয়েতে সাত পাকে কেন করে?
পানি লাগলো রে
বিয়েতে সাত পাকে কেন করে?
No idea.
কারণ you cannot divide 360 by 7. So একবার বিয়ে হয়ে গেলে you cannot be divided.
এটা অনিবার্য
I know. You can
মাইকটা
understand.
নিয়ে নে
You mean कोई उम्मीद नहीं है?
नहीं आज জিজ্ঞেস করছে তুই চালু কর
People would love to listen to you. Please start the journey.
ये हो गया
आपका हक बनता है।
30 साल की जर्नी। First of all, thank you all for coming here and being a part of this occasion. Grateful to all of you. 30 years back, actually 32 years back probably, I met Pial in a music class. She was 18 and a bitish, and
एग्जैक्टली
I was 24ish. And what I do remember is she told me, or she still tells me, she had no interest in me. And yet, to this day, the mystery remains why she never refused a bike ride with me. बाइक तो दूसरों की भी थी, मेरी बाइक की सीट में ऐसा क्या था? Then I do remember my company. I used to work for Philips that time, and they decided to send me to Holland for 2 months. And I still remember Pial's Dida. She called me and said, "Come here, young man, marry my granddaughter and then you go." I said, "I'm just going for 2 months." She says, "Onek shunechi." So literally within 2 months, both sides had to get ready. We got married and we came to the Netherlands. So the good thing is we literally grew up together. Netherlands is our adopted country and we learned a lot. We both have the travel bug. We've together probably traveled about 40 countries. And with her job and my job, we've got our 5 countries separately we've visited. Although I must say, I used to go on business trips. Hers looked like more like vacations. Whenever she came back from a business trip. So yes, I mean, we came to Netherlands. We traveled a lot. Not like our daughters do today, but we had a tent. I still remember the day Philips gave me clothing allowance. With that clothing allowance, I bought a car, a tent, aluminium vessels, and a gas stove. And the 4 of us, and the 2 of us, we went camping in France and Switzerland. And I think Pial will never let me forget that the first time we went out, we went to Jungfrau Joch. I was so mesmerized with the glacier there that I ran up the hill and I started taking pictures, only to find that 15 minutes back people had picked up Pial who had slipped down the snow. So I don't think she'll ever let me forget that. But from there our journey has been together. The one thing that has been constant in 30 years is A, she hasn't left me, and B, we've always had friends like you. So thank you all for coming and making this a great evening.
ওইখানে একটা চাকরি দাও হয়ে গেছে
People are impatient, so let's start with the first performance of the evening. It's a family performance, right? So where's Anusha and Ananya? Hey dear, come. So it's a family performance, right? So I have one question. Your mom is a wonderful dancer that we all know. What about your dad?
This is where I live.
Yeah, they can move his feet at the same time as his hands. And that's about it.
Okay, let's see Shorobda dancing for the first time. Are we all ready? Kathy?
Did you collect the entertainment tax?
I would be doing. तैयार हो जाए.
So I told Dad that since he can act, he can at least act like he can dance.
So Kathy, where are you?
शाहों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भावुक गा रहे हैं,
दीवाने कीड़े गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे हैं।
वो बगिया में जो फूलों की वो रही है खुशबू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है रूह
आई 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 सुबी दुबी तम्बारा, सुबी दुबी तरम्बा।
Stupid